I dyed my hair. There's a lot more gray hairs than you believe.
Sea otters at Morro Rock.
Look, I see Mr. Whitehead. Look
The
at
old man in the
He's
sea.
just chilling, like, leave me alone.
I'm floating on this
Oh, this
kelp.
guy's got a whitehead too. Look how
Maybe the
big.
difference.
Oh, is that those puppies? He carried a puppy? That's what that one.
Maybe they're different
That's
species.
No, no, that's not a baby.
His tail, apparently.
Yeah.
Oh, he doesn't have a baby. He just has a whitehead too. Look at
Like crocodiles are twirling. That's how they drown their prey.
when they spin around.
Montana del Oro with Dean.